So this lorry has just delivered the bike lift. It's got a tail lift on the lorry and a small pallet truck type thing. I've managed to get it up the drive, and here it is in the garage. So it's pretty big in its box. It's been delivered on a pallet, which the guy refuses to take back, so I'm going to have to dispose of that myself. But so it takes a lot of space. I think I'm going to try and tip it on its edge and just take it to one side for now, and until I can get round to taking out the box and assembling it. Instructions. So lift is all assembled, and I'm very pleased with it actually. The box as it arrives is basically just very big and heavy, with all the bits and pieces in it. I think it's 120, 130 kilograms. So you really need two people ideally. I did it on my own, but so it would have been easier with two people. You get the pallet whether you like it or not. I think Clarke, or rather Machine Mart, seem to use the pallet line service, so everything has to be on a pallet. And I say the guy wouldn't take the pallet away, which could be a good thing or a bad thing, I guess, depending on whether you want a pallet or not. The box is well made and it's very well protected, I think, in terms of getting the lift safely delivered without any damage. But there again, so you've got to get rid of it once you've unpackaged it. And the assembly, I haven't covered the assembly at all, basically, because it's pretty straightforward, and there's plenty of other videos that do cover it. The instructions were pretty poor, really, I think, in terms of assembly. But there again, it's pretty straightforward and pretty obvious where everything goes. So yeah, not a big deal. And overall, I say I'm really pleased. It's obviously really well made and strong. No qualms about getting this heavy BMW onto it. When this weighs 250 kilograms, I think the GS, and it feels quite secure on this lift. So that's really good, and I say I'm very pleased. Okay, thanks for watching.